know today is Friday, but today is my Sunday, and on Sundays we do meal prep. Salad in a jar, but my version because I can't have glass at work. Don't ask and I won't tell. That Chick-fil-A salad dressing though, y'all, get it at your local supermarket. I'm telling you, it will change your life. Got my chicken searing off camera. 24-ounce plastic containers. I got them at my local discount store. Trick is to put this dressing on the bottom. Then ingredients you're going to use at the bottom, ones that don't deteriorate fast, causing your salad to be soggy. I'm using shredded carrot, my Kalamata olive, red onions. I usually buy the mini cucumbers, but this is what I had on hand. No extra money needs to be spent. Use what you have. I don't know about y'all, but feta makes everything better. So throw that in there too. My pan-seared chicken. And then you're going to stuff your lettuce on top. I try to stuff as much as humanly possible because I don't be trying to look for nothing sweet after I finish eating. Ran out of lettuce, so I had to go grab some more. I usually use mixed greens or spring mix. I'm fake bougie, so I have a salad spinner. Judge your mother. And there you have it, a whole meal. Publix is not seeing me. Yeah, I said it.